Hello. Hold on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are y'all doing?
Okay, were you able to click on the other one? I have them at my office too. I have the witness in my
We're
office.
here.
Okay.
All right. You have one at your office and you have another one that's on.
I have the prior attorney at my office with the client, and I'm in another court.
Okay. The other one.
Shelley.
All right. So who all's going to speak today?
Pam.
You are?
And my client is going to testify.
I'm sorry, this video is not staying on.
Okay. Yeah, the video keeps clicking off if we get the.
You've got it set to.
If we can just do audio, is that okay?
No, we go. Start video. Okay. Oh.
Is there something that they can do about it? Okay, there we go. All right.
Oh my goodness.
Is there something to do?
Let me try and log on to the other computer. I'm not exactly sure.
Since you've seen him sitting there, Judge, could we maybe do it by audio?
Yeah, my thing always is the swearing in and stuff.
Okay. I'm opening up the other computer. Just one moment. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, we're in the waiting room.
Okay, and they're in the waiting room on the other.
Okay.
Here we go. All right.
Close this.
And he's gonna be the only one speaking today?
Yes, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Want me to be sworn in or not?
Oh, yes.
I'm fixing to swear to you. Okay,
We may need her.
all right. Good morning, my name is Milton Powers, I'm Tyler County Judge sitting in probate matters. We call case number PR-10200 in the estate of Joanne McCann. McCann, is that it, McCann?
McCann.
Okay. All right, Mr. James Ray Bean,
Yes, sir.
could you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right. Miss Julie? Is that your name, Miss Julie?
Miss Sitten also needs to be sworn in. We may need to have her testify.
Okay. Could you please raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Okay. All right, Miss Julie, if you're ready for court, you can.
Yes, sir. There is one issue, Your Honor. You
Okay.
have not received the original copy of the will.
Okay.
Miss Sitten had a practice with her father, who is now retired. He has the original will. This morning, Miss Sitten's locked out of their prior office. Miss Sitten's now the DA here. and she has to find keys so she can get into the office to get you the original will. But is it
Okay.
okay if we go ahead and proceed with this?
We can proceed with this. I just won't be able to sign any of the paperwork until I get that original will.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor,
Yes.
what I told Miss Hamrick is, I know that Mr. Bush had the original will because Miss McCain was sick and needed power of attorneys, and Mr. Bush faxed the copy of the will that you'll see up in the top left-hand corner. Has a fax date of about a year after she signed it.
Mhm.
Mr. Bush faxed that to Mr. Bean, and he faxed blank medical and financial power of attorneys because
Okay.
they realized they hadn't done that. We've got the original financial and medical power of attorney because Mr. Bean needed to keep those to use those. I thought we had the original will. We are hunting. If I am unable to locate the original will in Mr. Bush's file, do you need a sworn affidavit that we were in possession of it? And when he closed his practice, he's got a certain place he keeps original wills.
Okay. Yes,
But
I would need
but I
something
thought-
on that today.
Okay, so if I'm unable to locate it, then I will do a sworn affidavit that it was in our possession and we have been unable to locate it.
Okay. All right. That would definitely help us on that. But until we get all that solved, I can't sign any of the paperwork until we get all that worked out, okay?
I will be able to get back into Mr. Bush's office today. There's a little chaos, but we will either get the will to Julie today or I will get the affidavit to her today.
Okay, that'd be good.
Thank you.
Miss Julie, are you ready to begin court?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can begin this morning.
Well, I need to call the applicant, James Ray Bean. Mr. Bean, we're here today on the estate of Joanne McCann. You applied for letters testamentary and for probate of the will of Joanne McCann. How are you related to Ms. McCann?
I'm her cousin.
Okay, and is it true that Ms. McCann died in Texas City in Galveston County at
Yes,
the age of 90
Yes,
in
ma'am.
May of 25?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the estimated value of her estate is over $250,000, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have jurisdiction in Tyler County because the majority of her real property is mineral interest in this county. And she was also domiciled in the state of Texas on the date of her death, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We have a valid will dated April 11th of 2018. We have many copies of it and we're trying to find the original of it, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Miss McCann, do you know if Miss McCann was married at the time she passed away?
No, ma'am. She was a widower.
Okay. And did she have any children alive at the time she passed away?
She has no children.
Okay. And the will specifically asked that you, her cousin, James Ray Bean, be appointed executor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And no government agencies were named, right?
No, ma'am.
And the will is self-proved, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Pass the witness.
Your next witness?
I don't have any other witness, just Shelley.
You need any testimony from, the other person that we sworn in? You need anything from them?
Well, let's go ahead and call her. Shelley,
Yes.
we've talked today about the original will in this case, correct?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you are going to either provide me a copy of the original will or an affidavit stating that the original will was in your office and has been misplaced since your father's retirement, but we have a true and correct copy, correct?
That is correct.
Okay, and you can do that today or tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, nothing further.
All right. Is this the signature of your cousin? Can you see this? It's right below the line here, sir. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
see that? Is that the signature of your cousin?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright. Well, today we will order this, to probate and authorize letters of testimony. I will not be able to sign it until I either receive that, the original will, or we have some kind of affidavit or something signed, by you, a sworn affidavit, okay? And then we'll sign it. How many letters of testimony will you need?
I'm,
3.
Three, okay. All right. Do we have anything else for the court today, Ms. Julie?
I don't believe so. Shelley?
No.
Okay, that's all we have. Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else, as soon as we, get all that, find out, then we'll get it signed and get those letters of testimony ordered for you, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, y'all have a very blessed day.
You too.
All right.
Okay. As soon as.
Who?
This is the old file. So upside down, yes, is Mike the one you did?
Yes, sir.
This is a simple one, Judge, all we're doing is doing a successor, executor, and then this was their application of finding a successor.
I don't know which one we're in.
Smith. Freddie Smith.
Okay.
Yep.
Is there anybody like Bronte Smith?
No, just, you gotta condition myself. I can let it be on the next meeting.
So Mike is gonna be for this 9:30. Sure, I'll shoot off this.
You wanna go ahead and do that one?
I can do that one.
And then we'll see if the other one jumps in there. There we go, thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you, sir?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing great, doing great. All right, my name is Milton Powers, I'm Tyler County Judge, we're sitting in probate matters this morning. We call case number PR-10210 in the estate of Dennis Lee. And you are Mr. Micah Lee, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, we have Mr. Elrod here in person right here with us today. And Mr. Lee, if you would please raise your right hand for me. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, Mr. Elrod, if you are ready for court, you may begin this morning.
All right.
All right, Mr. Lee, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, you've already stated your name for the court. Is it true that we're here to administer the estate of your father, Dennis Wayne Lee?
Yes.
Okay, and is it true that he died on August 31st of this year?
Yes, sir.
Okay, at the time of his passing, he was a resident of Tyler County, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And to the best of your knowledge, your dad did have a will when he passed.
He did.
Okay, Your Honor, are we able to show
Yes.
him the will?
Do you recognize this will?
Yes, sir. That's the will that my dad left.
Do you recognize this to be your father's signature?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Court takes judicial notice that Mr. Lee recognizes his father's signature.
Thank you, Your Honor. After the creation of that will, did your father ever indicate to you or anyone else that he had a different will or anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay, to your knowledge, you never amended this will.
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Okay, and to your knowledge, he never revoked this will.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that? I missed that part.
And to your knowledge, he never revoked that will.
No,
Okay. Was any marriage entered into or dissolved subsequent to him creating that will?
no,
Okay. Were any children born or adopted to him after the creation of the will?
no,
Now, the will named you as the independent executor, is that correct?
correct.
Is there any reason that you know of that would disqualify you from serving in that capacity?
No, sir.
You've never been convicted of a felony or a crime involving moral turpitude?
No,
Okay. And no court has ever found you to be incompetent and unable to handle your own affairs?
not at all.
Okay, but a need does exist to administer your father's estate, correct?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that again?
There is a need to administer your father's estate, is that correct?
Correct.
So you're asking the court to admit the will today and issue you letters testamentary.
Yes, sir.
That's all we have, Your Honor.
All right. We will on the order this, we'll probate this morning and offer a letter of testimony. And we will place Mr. Michael Lee as the independent executor of this will. How many letters do you need? Do we have that down?
Do you have any, Mr. Lee, do you have any idea how many letters you might need for various institutions that need to see copies of those?
I don't think, I'm not sure. I'd have to look. I would probably say, really, the only thing that I'm aware of is one, and I think that kind of pertains to his bank account. I think everything else is paid and in his name.
Okay, do you want to get 2 or 3 just while we're at it, just to have a couple extras in case?
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind, maybe 5 just in case, to cover all my bases.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, Mr. Lee, on behalf of the county, we wish you the very best. God bless you. And we're just praying for you and your family.
Thank you. God bless you as well. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. We have anything else at this time?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
We'll be in touch with Mr. Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee, you have a very blessed day.
You as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We've got a Motorola Moto G.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Smith?
Yes, sir.
All right.
We've been just been working this a little bit.
Okay. Are you Mr. Bronte Smith?
Yes, my name is Bronte Smith. Yes, sir.
Bronte Smith, all right. Mr. Smith, my name is Milton Powers. I'm the Tyler County Judge. We're sitting in probate matters today. We call case number PR-06040. And this is we're in a case today to order appointing successor, administrator, and issue letters of testimony.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Please raise your right hand for me.
Yes, sir.
Tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
So help me God.
Yes, sir. All right, Mr. Elrod, if you're ready for your case this morning, you may begin.
Okay, Mr. Smith, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Okay, all right, now. your father was Freddie Smith, correct?
That's correct.
And it's true that he died back in, was it 1986?
I think that's what it was. 186. Yes, sir.
Okay. And subsequent to that, an estate was opened, and Archie Smith and Ray Lynn Smith were appointed as the independent executors. Is that true?
That's true.
Okay, and those are brothers of yours,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Are Archie and Raylan Smith, are they still living?
No, they're both deceased.
Okay. Is there still a need to administer the estate?
As far as I'm concerned, I think so. I guess. Yes, sir.
Okay, y'all still have some safety deposit boxes and some other matters that need tending to, is that correct?
That was the issue, that safe deposit box. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're asking the court to appoint you as the successor administrator for your father's estate, so you can wrap up a few outstanding estate matters. Is that
Yes, sir.
correct?
That's
Okay.
correct.
Is there any reason why you would be disqualified from serving as the successor administrator?
No, sir. That I know. I'm the last one.
Okay, you've never been convicted of a felony or otherwise deemed to be mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
Okay, all right. Are there any other heirs living at this time?
On his grandkids.
Okay, so you're the last remaining child.
I'm the last remaining child, sir.
Okay, all right. Your Honor, that's all we have for the court.
Okay. We will, with the testimony that we've heard today, with both other brothers that were appointed, have deceased, we will move forward and appoint Mr. Bronte Smith as the successor of this, wheel, and appoint him the successor. How many letters of testimony will you need?
Have we already requested?
No, sir, because everything's passed a new day, so I have to
Okay.
wait for oaths.
Let me just get 3 in this one. If we need more, we'll get more.
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you, Mr. Smith, for coming in today. We
Thank
appreciate it.
you. I
And
appreciate you.
God bless
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You have anything else for him?
No, Your Honor.
All right, well, thank you very much. Have a blessed day.
Same to you all. Thank both of you all.
Yes, sir.
We'll talk to you later, Mr. Smith.
Yes, sir. Bye bye.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you this morning?
Good morning, Mr. Frazier.
Yes, sir.
All right. My name is Milton Powers. I'm Tyler County Judge. We're sitting in probate matters this morning. We call case number PR-10209 in the estate of Miss Pamela Jones Blakeney. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, and we have Miss Angela Blakeney with us this morning. Miss Blakeney, we can't hear you, or are you muted? You may have your phone muted or something. We can't hear you.
Judge, while she's taking care of the audio, let me go ahead and let you know I'm licensed to practice in the state of Texas, and I've been a practicing attorney for 26 years. But to be very clear, I do not practice in the area of wills and estates, but I'm assisting my wife today in the probate of this this application.
That is fine, and if you will just, I think, there was a little template kind of file, just follow that little template right there, and we'll be good. Be sure that we ask all the questions, whether, she's a felon and she's able to, administrate and be the executor of the will. She hadn't had any kind of moral, problems or anything, or doctors have not, immediately evaluate her, she can't move forward, anything like that, okay?
I've got a script, Your Honor, but I apologize if I missed something inadvertently.
That's okay, we'll follow right along with you. Are you there now, Miss Angela?
I hope so.
Here we go, we got you out here. All right, Miss Angela, could you please raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. All right, Mr. Frazier, you may move forward with your witness in your case this morning.
Thank you, Judge. Mrs. Fraser, will you please state your full name for the record?
Angela Gail Blakeney Fraser.
And you were a daughter of Pamela Jones Blakeney?
Yes.
Is it true that Ms. Blakeney, the decedent, passed away on October 12th, 2024?
Yes.
And it has been 4 years or less since the date of her death?
Yes.
And at the time of her death, Ms. Blakeney resided in Tyler County, is that correct?
Correct. Yes.
Your Honor, I believe this establishes jurisdiction and venue. I will proceed to prove up the will, if that's okay.
You may move forward.
Thank you. Ms. Fraser, will you please, you've got a copy of the will, is that correct?
I do, yes.
Okay. And do you recognize this document as the last will and testament of Pamela Jones Blakeney?
Yes.
And are you familiar with your mom's signature?
I am.
And on page 6, at the top of page 6 of the will, is that her signature?
It is, yes.
And does this will is notarized, and there were 2 witnesses to the will, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay.
The court takes judicial notice that she has recognized the signature.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Ms. Fraser, to the best of your knowledge, was this will ever revoked?
It was not, to the best
And to the best of your, okay, thank you. Apologize for jumping on top of you there. To the best of your knowledge, did your mom execute any wills other than this one?
She did not.
And to the best of your knowledge, did she remain married to her husband, Jerry Raymond Shaw, up to the time of her death?
Yes.
Okay. To the best of your knowledge, was your mom of sound mind and memory when she executed this will in August of 2024? Or some,
Yes.
I apologize, September of 2024.
Yes.
And did she have any other children that were born after the date of the will?
No.
Okay. And as set forth in the will, did your mom nominate you to serve as the independent executor of her estate in this will?
Yes.
And are you willing to serve in that capacity?
Yes.
Your Honor, well, hang on, before I get there, and is it true that you have not been convicted of a felony or of a crime involving moral turpitude?
That's true and correct.
And you have not been found mentally incompetent?
I have not.
Okay. Your Honor, the will directs that the independent executrix or executor serve without bond, and we request that no bond be required.
All right. You have anything else for the court today?
Oh, the only other thing, Your Honor, for the witness, is there a necessity for administration of this estate?
Yes.
That's all I have, Your Honor.
You did a wonderful job.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good job, honey.
Yes, we will admit this will to probate and ensure letters of testimony. How many letters would you need today?
5, please, Your Honor.
Okay, and we will place Miss Angela Blakely Frazier, and she will be the independent executor of this will. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank
Do you have anything else for the court today?
No, Your Honor.
There's nothing else. We will move forward. Mr. Frazier, you did a great job. So now you got your first probate under your wing. You can take off and do some probates.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
All right. Y'all have a very blessed day, and God bless y'all.
You as
Yes.
well.
God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.